So today we are going to learn on creating a views. Okay. So what is a view? A view is a virtual table. As you all know, a view is a virtual table. So what is the virtual table means? Say for the example, what you're going to do here is you are going to create a table, and what you say is you should not disturb that main table. What you will do is you are not going to try out to disturb that table, which means that a main table, you will not going to disturb a main table. Instead of that, you are going to act like you use that table again and again, but the data must also be stored in that table, and you should not disturb that table also. At the time, what happens here is, at the time you require one column called as virtual. One column called as virtual. Okay. So what is this virtual? Say as virtual is as same as virtual is as same as real table, but it will be artificial. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ತರನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, but it is artificial, like your touch screen mobile. In touch screen you get a keypad, right? That keypad, how does it look? It is a keypad, but it is a virtual, means which you are going to use inside using a touch pan itself. Same way a virtual table. Same way, what is a SQL view? A SQL view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. SQL table is a virtual table based on the result set of the virtual table. What is the result set then? When you say select star, you say select select star from ABC. Select star from ABC, which means that when you are going to say select star from ABC, you will get one column. Okay, one column of results, rows and columns of results. Rows and columns of results. So such kinds of things are known as result set. Result sets. So where this view works, a view works on based on the result sets of the result sets of the given SQL statement. So a view contains, what does the view contain then? A view contains a rows and columns just like a real table. Okay, real table, virtual table ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it will be present, but it is not been seen, or it is not been act. ಅಂದ್ರೆ temporary table ತರ work ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You are understanding, right? It is going to work as a temporary table where you are going to check out how a given database works for an actual normal data. How a given database works for a actual normal data. Okay, so this field in the field in the view are in the views are one or more real tables in a database. What does we say? The fields in the view, what are the fields? Like, say for the example, wait a second, say for the example, so say for the example here, wait a second. So when we say Okay. The fields in a view are a fields from one or more real tables. What is this means? If I say like the tables, roll number, roll number, name, and age. Okay. So what happens here is these are the fields like something and age as 20. Age as 40. Like this itself. So what happens here is, as I already said, the fields in a view are the form of one or more real tables in a database. What does it do means, this views consist of rows and table. Here, all the fields are the attributes, all the fields are the attributes or a data of a real table itself. Whichever we are going to see in a database or in a view, it will be a real data of a database. Okay, so what you can do with how you can work on a views, you can add SQL functions where and join statements to view and present the data as if the data were coming from a single table. Here, whenever you are going to do a view, you can create a view using a single table or multiple table. Say for the example, you have two types of table, A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay, you can create a table using either A, B, C or using both A, B, C and D, E, F also, which means that you can create a view using a single table also, which means that you can use view or you create a view using a single table also, or you can combine two tables and form a single view. So this is what we say a view is. Okay, so how a view can be created? So view can be created using this statement: create view. View is a keyword. Create view is a keyword. View name. Create view name means what is the view name. Say for the example, if I say create 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 view v1 means v1. Here the create is the keyword used to create a new data, like create table name. Same way, create view is the keyword what you are going to do. Now if I say create a database, like if I say create view. Okay, now if I say create view anta create table andre ena ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, you are going to create a table. Same way, create view means we are going to create a view as view1 as okay, create view1 as. Okay, how, what is the condition there? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. So say for the example, because this works for a real table or result set. Views always works for a real table or result sets. Same way, here what I said, create view name as v1, create view name as v1 as select n columns. It may be n columns like roll number, name, age, roll number, name, age, or some kinds of condition. Let it be anything. Okay. So create view name as select columns. Columns, it may be columns are known as attributes from a table where a given condition, whatever the condition you require, you are going to provide that. By that, you can create a view. So what is a view actually? A view is a, what is a view actually? A view is a view is a virtual table based on the result set of a SQL statement. View is a virtual table based on the result set of a SQL statement. So a result set of SQL statement ಹೇಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? By giving a condition. By giving a condition, you will get a result set of a virtual table. Okay. So now firstly, it specifies the name of the view. Okay, using a after a create view keyword. So you, what was it specify first? First, it will specify the name of the view as view. Create view name means the view. You should give a name for that. After that, select column 1. After that, the schema name is the name of the schema by which a view belongs. Here we have given a view name, right? That view name is the name of the view for which it is going to belong to, or which is going to act on that. Okay. Second, specifies the select statements that defines a view after as keyword. Okay. How, what for ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನು view create ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗೆ ನೀನು view create ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Select statement define ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ after as keyword. Okay. The select statement can refer one or more tables also. As I already said you, a select statement will refer one or more column also. So this is what a view is. Understood? So what is a view? A view is a SQL, a view is a virtual table based on a result set of a SQL statement. What is a view then? A view is a SQL, a view is a virtual table. Virtual is a duplicate table. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, virtual means it is a duplicate table, same as a real itself. Now you see virtual reality shows, right? Like you put on some devices and you see what you feel. You are inside that animated movie itself, but you are going to watch the movies using that statement. Same way, a virtual means it is like a real world itself, but it is constructed inside the system. Real world itself is constructed inside the system. That is known as view. So view is a virtual table based on the result set of a SQL statement. But how it is been based? It is based on the result set of the SQL statement. Okay. A view consists of rows and columns like a real tables. The field in a view are the field from one or more real tables in the database. The fields in fields of the database, the attributes of the database will be related to one or more data, one or more items, one or more entities of the given database. Okay. So here you can add a SQL function where and join to the view view and present the data as if the data were coming from one table or a single table or a multiple table, as if the database used to come from one table or single table or a multiple tables. Okay. So now how to create a view means a view is being created as create view name as select column 1, column 2 from a table where a given condition. So let us work on that so you understand how a view works. View works as same as your tables itself, but it is not a real table. It will be a virtual table. That's it. Clear? So now let me try to explain you using the SQL plus itself. Okay. So the username is Scott. Password is Tiger. Yes. We're going to connect to the database, right? So now what we do, well, let us create a table. So from first, when we do from first, you will understand how we do that, right? So now create table create table std student followed by SID number of 20 primary key. Okay. S name varchar of S name varchar of 20, varchar of 30, and we give not null. So when you provide this data as not null, which means that it says that you should always provide some data. If you didn't provide a data, then it is not going to take up a table. Understood? ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟಿ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ null ಕೊಟ್ರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Age, number of 20. Okay, number of 20. Marks, number of 20. Marks number of 20. So what had happened? So you can check out here, right? You can check out here. So this is what a table is being created from us. So it says that it has two names, SID as the primary key, S name, age and marks. SID, S name, age and marks. Okay. Now what we do? Now let us insert some of the tables. Insert some of the tuples. Insert into table. Insert a table. What is the name of the table? STD values followed by ID as 1, name as X, Y, Z, followed by age as 20, followed by marks as 95. Two, age as 10, marks as 95. 3, age as 30, marks as 80. Sorry, 50. Let it be 50. Okay. 4, age as 40, marks as 23, marks as 100. 4, age as 40, marks as 100. Okay. One more tuple I'm going to create now. 5, age as 40 itself, marks is 75. Okay. Now what we do? Now let us check out the result set. Select star from STD. You got this? Select star from STD. What you got? You got this table, right? So now what we do? Let us try to create a view. So how to create a view? To create a view, we have a syntax called as create view view name as. Okay. Now what we do is, let's see. Now what we should do, we should create a table. So what's create a view? How do we create? Create view. View is a keyword. View name we should give, right? Student view. Student underscore view as is the keyword. What? How you should do? Select SID is a column. S name SID S name is the column, comma, marks. Okay, marks where marks. Okay, these are three columns. Hope you can see out here. Okay, marks where age is less than 40. What condition I have given now? I should get the data, only three data where age is less than 40. Okay, what happened now? We got an error. From where? From which table we have not given? So that we got an error. Okay, marks from STD where age is equals to 40. Wait, let me do like this. Okay, as select star from STD.